Virginia is the big prize tonight, Brian, because as that state goes, so goes the national politics.
The changing demographics, which match a lot of what's going on across the country.
This was a fight over Obamacare, a fight over the government shutdown, a fight over the Tea Party, and a fight over social issues.
Ken Cuccinelli will lose in Virginia right now. Terry McAuliffe is the winner, the next governor of Virginia.
Yes, the Tea Party movement was an issue. Yes, the shutdown was an issue.
It was the shutdown and the Tea Party issue that was the greatest gift to Governor-elect McAuliffe.
What Republicans did with the shutdown and with the debt fight is they got voters really mad at them.
Nearly 90% of voters in exit polls blamed Republicans for the shutdown.
This was a referendum on whether you embrace the Ted Cruz, John Boehner, Ken Cuccinelli approach to government, which is shutdown, slow down, crisis, inflicting pain on the economy in order to achieve partisan objectives.
1993 foretold what happened in 1994. Right. 2009 foretold what happened in 2010.